Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to switch a personal account to professional account on Instagram. For example, if you have a personal account and you want to switch it to professional account, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you will find the option of general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and if here you have to simply make sure that it is not showing any kind of update, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Instagram app, and here you will find the option of that profile section, and here you can find the option of three lines here, and here you can find all the settings related to account. So you have to scroll it down until you find the option of your dashboard and account types and tools. So here you will find account types and tools. You have to simply click on that, and here you will find the option of account type. So here is written personal account. So if you want to switch to professional, you have to simply click on that. Here you can simply find all the settings, right? Like you will find the option of insights, who visits your profile, who likes your profile, and you can also run ads on your professional accounts. Moreover, you can simply click on next, and you have to decide which kind of professional account you want, and if you whether you want to show it on your profile or not. So in this way, you can simply click on professional account, and your account will be converted to professional. And after that, you can simply click on that, and your account will be converted to professional account without any problem. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this. You can subscribe our channel.